Good morning. All right, part number 4, doing the Hitch Peg. Create a new part studio, rename it HITCHPG, and this one we're going to revolve also. I'm going to start a new sketch on the front plane, move it so I can see what I'm doing, and I'm just going to draw that half of the Hitch Peg. Use my line tool. Draw a line going out at the bottom. It's going to be half the diameter. If I don't feel like doing the math, I can say 0.25 divided by 2 because the radius is 0.25. It'll do the math for me. I'm going to draw my line going straight up. That's going to be 0.5. Zoom out a little bit. I'm going to draw a random line going out because I don't know what that is, and I'm going to have to dimension it here in a minute. I'm going to turn the tool off, turn the tool back on, and I need to draw a line for the center going up. I'm going to turn that tool off, and now I'm going to start dimensioning. I'm not going to do the curve until I have all my dimensions done. So from this point to the bottom, that height, oh, it's already 0.5, escape, I don't need that. From this point to this edge, though, it's half the radius of the cap here, so that's going to be 0.2. And I now need to do the height of this guy, which is 0.65. Enter. Now I'm going to use my 3-point arc, and I'm going to click here, make it random because I don't care what it is because I'm going to type in a number. It doesn't matter as long as I don't get all the way out here. So you'll see that right now it says a radius of 0.1 whatever it says. I want it to be 0.208. Click, and you'll see that it puts that center of the radius on this line. So if you have your dimensions and it doesn't line up on the line, you've done your dimensions wrong. So green check mark, revolve, choose my shape, choose the revolution axis, green check mark, I'm done. Change the color. This one I want to be that cool blue. Green check mark. Change the part name. Rename Hitch Peg. Close that. There we go. And I'm done.